what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're a new viewer, I'm Remy Madison. Welcome to the Tiger Ambush. Hit the subscribe button down below so you can be part of the Tiger Ambush so that you can join the fam. Send it to your squad, send it in the group chat, let everybody know about this freaking channel, and follow me on Instagram at Remy Madison because I post some cute stuff sometimes. And without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. As you can tell from the title, it's gonna be a good one. So today I'm bringing back yet again another one of my shuffle tutorials. I'm slowly working on improving my teaching style and my steps and how I explain things because I know a lot of the other videos might have been unclear. So today I'm going to show you 3 variations of the running man, the most basic form of shuffling, the oldest shuffle dancing form before cutting shapes existed. I'm going to teach you the 3 ways that you can shuffle dance. I have no preference. I love all 3 equally, but I'll show you and you can decide on your own. Comment down below which shuffle type is your favorite down below.
So the first variation is just the regular running man. This is the easiest one to learn. So you're going to start with your feet shoulder width apart. You're going to pick up one leg into a pike position, bending your knee and creating a triangle shape with your 2 legs. You're then going to pop both your legs out in opposite directions. So you're going to push your front leg forward and your back leg back to create a triangle shape with your legs. You're then going to pop up back to the center position, piking the other leg, then pop back out again. So again, pike one of your legs up into the center, and then you're going to push both legs out in opposite directions, creating a triangle shape. Then back up to the center, piking the opposite leg up. And that's your shuffle. The second variation is the ski shuffle. So for the ski shuffle, we're just going to start with the regular running man. Then I want you to imagine that there's an X along the ground, and your legs are going to move in opposite directions along the ground. So instead of going straight forward and back in a direct line, you're going to go off on an angle. So you're just doing the regular running man, but you're bringing your legs diagonally along the X that you've envisioned on the ground. So this time you're going to pike one leg up, you're going to push it out to the right side, pushing your back leg out to the left side. So you're going on an angle in an X shape. Then you're going to bring the opposite leg up, push that leg out to the left side, and push your back leg out to the right side. And the third and final variation, I'm still not quite sure of the name, but I call it the doll shuffle. Again, for this variation, you're going to start off with your basic running man that we learned in step 1. Piking your knee up and pushing your 2 legs out separately. Now what you're going to do is you're going to twist your hips to each side as you do your regular running man. This will create the doll shuffle. So when you're pushing your 2 legs separate, you're going to pivot your hips so that they're twisting to one side. So whichever leg is going to be in front as you're doing your regular shuffle, you're going to twist that hip to the opposite side. So again, we're going to start with one of our knees pike. We're going to push the right leg out, twisting the right hip to the left. Then you're going to come back into the center with your left leg piked up and push that one out to the right side. Again, pike your leg up and twist the hip to the opposite side. Coming back up to the center facing forward each time. Okay, so you've mastered all 3. Now let's put them all together.
So that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this tutorial was super helpful, super easy to follow. If it wasn't, let me know, and let me know how I can improve in the comments down below, because I am working on coming up with a lot more tutorials. Simple, easy to do, at home, basic shuffle moves that'll get you through any Raven Festival looking blah as fuck. But that's it for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.